The November new moon peaks on the 23rd and is sitting in the constellation of Scorpio. And when the moon is in Scorpio, we are feeling deeply and passionately. So we can use this energy to explore our power, our sensual side, our shadow self, and to release fears and limiting patterns. This is a great time for self-care, to really check in with yourself. This can help you to manage your stress levels, cultivate connection with your needs, nurture your dreams, and get clear about your next steps. Here are 3 easy ways that you can check in with yourself. Number 1 is go for a walk in nature. During the walk, tune into your breath and your body and begin to observe your mind and where it wants to go. Don't get attached to the thoughts, just simply witness them and see if any patterns or feelings emerge. Number 2, at times when we need to de-stress, shifting our focus onto our senses is one of the easiest ways to take care of ourselves. We can focus on our senses by engaging in some activities such as taking a warm bath for touch, or getting a head or body massage, burning a scented candle for smell, listening to running water for the sound, looking at sunsets or the night sky for our sight, and savouring our favourite meal for our sense of taste. Number 3, we can write in our journals. Writing can really help us to get clear in what our needs and desires are. So journaling will help you to trust your inner guidance, and writing can open you up to your higher self. This is where creativity and inspiration and ideas flow. So log your insights, your messages, your signs and synchronicities in your journal, and you'll find that recording them is a really powerful practice.